The bike. It's not just a vehicle to get around your neighborhood, but you can go further than that. The bike touring. I share with you my experience of bicycle travel on the Moroccan territory. More than 5,100 kilometers covered on the bike in 56 days. A tour of Morocco full of adventure. Sometimes with a friend and sometimes alone on the road. I chose a mountain bike to support the weight and resist any misuse. The bike touring equipment is essential. Riding a bike is not always easy in the geography of northern Morocco. We had to find the most optimal way to live. The nearest national road to the borders with Algeria, in the vicinity of Tendrara and Bouarfa. Knowing your itinerary and getting information on the weather are two keys to consider. Cycling at night and in the rain requires high concentration. It's the real adventure. Even further to arrive at the southern Atlantic coast of Morocco in the foothills of the Anti-Atlas. Agadir. You can't pass by Essaouira without saying something. It's the city of wind in Morocco. It is necessary to manage the rhythm of the effort in the climb. This fluorescent vest was my only equipment to be visible by drivers after sunset. Another adventure. This time, towards the Middle Atlas. An opportunity to forget the psychic impact of the health crisis caused by COVID-19. But, life is not always beautiful. The journey sometimes requires you to go over fairly complicated terrain. The problems are coming. There are not enough tools to repair the chain. A small rest at the entrance of Ifrane in front of these beautiful macaques of barbarism. They are the only macaques living on the African continent. In the wild and the forests of Morocco and Algeria. This is the last day to finish this trip with a good distance record. 300 kilometers to arrive at midnight.